This film, since I have my own standing, my own expectation, I'm not, I'm not saying from public or something. I'm committed to myself, and I want something should be great. I'm trying my level best. Best I don't know.
I think Ashok ji, I worked with one of the good directors, and I must say he easily fits into that category. And this movie is going to be, from my point of view, is going to be a landmark as far as the visuals are concerned. It's not only for Indian standards; it's going to be for international standards as well.
Whatever I say would be less. This man is on a different level of thinking, and it's been a complete learning experience working with him. He has opened up your eyes by just helping you take glimpses through his, and through his mind, and it's been a absolutely wonderful experience. And if I could go through it all over again, I'd go through it all over again.
I say I believe in film in totality. If film works in totality, that's a great thing. If it works only in photography and other things lack or my direction lacks, then it's bad, So that I should blame myself and I should not blame anyone else.
It is that I believed in him, I just believed that he could make, he could direct a movie. And I love the script. It is somewhat taken, inspired by Crime and Punishment, Some sort of a link is there. And I really adore that concept, So that's the reason I did the movie.
It was reason enough that there was this. It was reason enough that there was this man who was so adamant in having me in the film, and who was so convinced already that I could play the part, And that is very important. If somebody has so much faith and has so much confidence in you, then I don't think you should even think about it, because he's so clear about it. This script he's had for 17 years, and now he's finally making the project.
If I prove once, let me prove that I can make a good film, not to anyone else. I have to prove myself first. Then, if some good films come into me, I will do it. I'll keep on doing. This is my first. I have to stick to my photography. I just can't leave it actually. It's not me. Because when I'm behind the camera, I do a lot of improvisation. At random. Sometimes my sixth sense, aisa mat karo, aisa karo. So it works. If I leave my photography, then I had it actually.